and welcome to the HVAC Diaries. My name is Jessica, and I'm otherwise known as HVAC Jess on Instagram, where I document my everyday journey as an HVAC apprentice. Today, my brother, my dad, and myself installed an LG ductless split system in a computer room for like a community house. And although I didn't do most of the work myself, I was helping. And so here is how the ductless split system was installed today. One day I'll be a fully qualified technician myself, and I will be running those ductless split systems. But until then, I just get to help. I just get to make the job go smoother and quicker by helping wherever I can.
Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad, I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep.
Thank you so much for watching this episode of the HVAC Diaries. Like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.